And welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, what we are going to do is we are going to review an application called F-Droid. Um, to put it in simple words, this can be accounted or this can be called as an alternative to Google Play Store. So is it really can be the alternative or can it be the alternative to Google Play Store? In simple terms, no. Because many apps that you use like WhatsApp, Facebook, Truecaller, these are a couple of apps which you are using on daily basis. Now this is not available on F-Droid. F-Droid. The reason because is F-Droid only supports open source applications, which means that the source code which is used to write these applications should be made public. So this can be done through GitHub. If you are a programmer or if you are an Android enthusiast, you might know what GitHub is, what source code is, and how these things work. And it is not even a good thing to do in this video to explain to you what GitHub is, what source code is, because these all are technical stuff and many of you may not be interested to know about these sort of stuff since they are highly technical. So this is how the application looks like. It is not like the user interface is not like what you see in Play Store, but you have a lot of applications which you can find as an alternative to the apps that is available in the Play Store. So these are the couple of the apps that are available over here. Say for example, if you want to know about the weather details and stuff like that, definitely you can install the radar weather from this particular person. So this is how it works. So I am doing this video just for an informative purpose. So I just want to let you know that such an application is available in the market and there are some open source applications that are available for Android users. Now let me tell you a couple of advantages of using an open source application. First one is it doesn't track your data. Majority of the applications, I'm not telling that entire applications are not tracking your data. Of course, the developer might put some kind of advertisement or some kind of tracking system to generate revenue. But it is not like a multinational company peeping into your data. So say as an example, WhatsApp. There had been a lot of discussions, a lot of debates about the privacy policies of WhatsApp and how WhatsApp works. Until now, they don't show us their source code, so we do not know what is going on in the back doors of WhatsApp. So I'm not a technical guy, so I cannot explain to you a lot of stuff about this thing is that and that thing is this. I mean, yeah, you always have, or you can, I mean, these are the latest apps. This page shows you the latest applications which are available with the F-Droid application. So moving on to second thing, you can see the applications in a category wise listings, such as you have a couple of graphics editors over here. So basically you have Symbol Gallery Pro. I mean, if you are using a custom ROM or something like that, definitely you can try using F-Droid if you are not preferring to, or if you don't prefer to use Google Play Store. Again, custom ROM is a bit different. I mean, it also takes a lot of time in explaining what custom ROM is. Custom ROM is just, I mean, forget about it. If you want to use it, you can use it. You can search by your device and you can find a suitable ROM for your device. If your device, someone has compiled a custom ROM for your device, definitely you can try it. So I'm not going to explain all these sort of stuff. So these are a couple of options that are available in the application for you to try out if you are really interested in using an open source softwares. Now a couple of advantages and disadvantages I will tell you. There won't be any annoying advertisements like you get in applications that you use from Play Store. I mean, I'm not telling 100% sure that there won't be, but compared to the Play Store, these applications do have minimal amount of advertisements. Second thing is, they give privacy to you. I mean, your data won't be stored on any particular multinational company server and stuff like that, since majority of these applications are being developed by a person, and they don't, or they may not have the same kind of infrastructure to store your data. So your data, my data is somehow secured enough. And third thing is, all these applications are quite lightweight, so it doesn't consume that much amount of memory on your devices, since it is not running frequently, it is not monitoring your behaviors and usage behaviors and stuff like that. So these are very user friendly too. And what are the disadvantages of using these kind of apps? As I've told you, these are not developed by companies. So the basic problem with these kind of apps are, a single person is involved in developing the apps. So all in a sudden they might stop the development and the app becomes obsolete. And second thing is, you may not be able to get support. Sometimes these apps do have bugs. But majority of the apps that are listed on the F-Droid, I'm sure that they give you regular updates, fixing bugs and stuff like that. So I've told you a couple of advantages and disadvantages of using the F-Droid application, and the most important or the most beneficial term is, it is open source. So really, if you are interested to know about how the source code is being drafted, or if you are interested to know about the sources of the application that you are using, definitely you can watch their GitHub page and get to know about the applications for more. I know it had been a boring stuff for you. I mean, since it was not involved any kind of reviews and stuff like that, or any kind of what can I say? It's like an informative video to you. I mean, sometimes you may get bored too, but I just want to let you know that such an application is available, and I will make sure that I will post the download link in the description below. If you are really interested to try a couple of apps, definitely you can try it. And here there is an updates section over here, so you can really see that if there is the developer has pushed any updates or stuff like that, it will get automatically updated. Likewise, we have it in the Play Store. Now, if you are I mean, what are my final verdicts? Should I use it or should I not use it? It depends upon you. For me, yes, I do use a lot of open source software, and I have a very nice experience in using these sort of softwares. A, it is lightweight. B, I do respect my privacy. So yeah, it's a good to go thing for me. So if you really want to use something different, of course, if you are not using a custom ROM, you cannot remove Play Store. It is by default in your Android phone. But if you want to use some open source softwares, definitely you can give it a try to F-Droid, and you won't regret it. That is my opinion.